Sorry to interrupt. Are you currently looking to learn new digital skills online to help you earn some extra money around your current job or to replace your income entirely? If the answer is yes, then stick around. If not, please feel free to skip this ad.
We're Anita and Steve, and we're here to introduce you to an online educational company that can provide you with the tools and resources literally all under one roof so you can get a step closer to earning that extra income. And the thing is, you can do it easily around your existing job.
Yeah, just 1 hour a day is all you need to get going. Any extra is a bonus. It all comes down to how important it is for you to have a backup income in these uncertain times right now.
So we're now witnessing a huge rise in inquiries from people looking to secure themselves extra income because they can no longer rely on that one source anymore. They know the job can be under threat at any moment. And we've all seen in the news lately, there's no such thing any longer as a secure job.
Yeah, but fortunately for us, we found this educational company just under 3 years ago when we were looking for alternate ways of earning an income online. We went through the training modules, learnt the skills, met amazing coaches, as well as the founders of the company at live events, and as a result, went on to set up our own successful online business.
So we're now consistently earning a 5-figure monthly sum from just our laptop, meaning so long as we have it with us, we can work from anywhere in the world. So if you want reassurance and guidance from us too, having been through the training, come out the other side, then click below and fill in your details.
Yeah, we'll then send you the same set of powerful videos that we watched, explaining step by step how you can get started from scratch. And when we watch those videos for the first time, we realise two things. Go on, boss.
So firstly, we realised we've been missing out on one of the best opportunities that we've ever come across. And secondly, it was that this was not as big and as complicated as we had in our heads. We just needed to get past the fear of taking that first step, which we know from experience is the most difficult.
Yeah, if you're feeling brave, click the button below and come and make an informed decision if this is for you or not. We'd love for you to join us.
Yeah. So when you sign up, we'll be here waiting for you to guide you every step of the way.